Dear CSIR NET aspirants, we have very important news for you all. CSIR NET exam will now be conducted online. Yes, you heard it right. CSIR NET exam will now be an online computer-based exam. In a revolutionary announcement made by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR) India, CSIR-UGC National Eligibility Test (NET), conducted twice a year in June and December, will now be a computer-based test with effect from December 2019 exam. This implies a lot of changes that will be implemented from the CSIR NET exam to be conducted in December this year. Official notification link released by CSIR can be seen in the description below. Here are the changes expected in CSIR NET December 2019 exam. With this announcement, a lot of changes can be expected in the CSIR NET December 2019. Exam pattern is going to change. One can also see changes in the types of questions asked in the exam. The marking scheme can be different from the current one. The time duration of the exam may be changed. Result declaration format is expected to change. Well, we will have to wait for a detailed notification from CSIR HRDG department, which is expected to be released shortly. However, Biotecnika is always here to help you prepare for CSIR NET exams in life sciences and chemical sciences, with fresh batches starting from the 1st of July 2019 for CSIR NET December 2019 computer-based online exam. Also, our entire test series and all mock tests are online, CBT, computer-based test, and that means all our students are all ready for the computer-based CSIR NET exam test. Do not delay. Join Biotecnika today. Call 080-5099-7000 or toll free 1800 1200 1818.